Hunter's got on his new hiking socks, keeps the snow from building up in between his paws. He's seeming not to mind at all, which I kind of anticipated, but at the same time everybody says dogs act really funny when they get these things on. He's doing good. We're going to Carlana Lake Trail. Taking off. A little late. It's like 11:30 right now. Starts off the road. Started a little late to get to the top of that today, but we're going to go as far as we can. Should have worn my yak trax. It's a little slick. No, stay down. So far, we're about an hour in. We're making pretty good time. Hunter and I, I'm hoping to get closer to the peak this time than last time. Last time it started raining and we're getting kind of wet. Today I bought a new raincoat. Pretty nice. It's on sale. And some water. Yeah, I can't think. Early onset Alzheimer's. I swear. Waterproof gloves. That's what I was looking for. I don't know how many waterfalls we're going to see today. Jeez, oh Pete. Starting to get into the snow now. Getting a little higher. Hunter's still going strong. Me, on the other hand, getting higher to the top. Looks pretty sweet. This is as far as I went this year. We're going to keep going for about another hour and turn around. Unless we run into some areas that we need snowshoes, which is, snow's kind of getting deep. It's slushy. Where are you going, Hunter? It's this way. Absolutely gorgeous. This is Alaska. Laying down, taking a little rest. Hunter's like, what the hell are we doing here? I'm gonna lay down too. Roll in the snow, cool off. Well, we made it to the top of this one. Now, the highest point we go, I just fell in the snow, probably 4 foot. Shit, is up there. I might do it. We still have time. We're getting up there. I don't even want to talk about it because it sounds really stupid, but I didn't bring water with me. But next time I will do that. I just didn't think about it. Whatever. I didn't think I was gonna come this far, but I just found more energy than I thought I had. These views just, they give you energy. Heading up that will be our turnaround point if we make it up there. So far I haven't needed snowshoes. Parts I wish I would have had them, but this is the Carlana Lake Trail, nearing the top of the mountain. After that we head down, but we are not doing that because that's a whole day hike from what I experienced last time. Definitely the trail less traveled, so I don't see any footprints in the snow anymore. Nearing the top, super worn out. The gorgeous view. I wish I could just sit here the rest of the day, set my tent up, camp out. It's eventually the plan, but right now I only have a 3-season tent, so not a good idea in Alaska. Some more lakes way down there. We're gonna scroll around to the west. There's mountains and ocean. You can't see the ocean, it's down there ways. There's to the south. Almost to the top. Battery's about dead, so the way back, you guys won't be with me. There's the ocean. Got up high enough. Awesome. I love the ocean. I love the mountains. We're almost at the top. I think we got literally maybe another 100 foot of elevation and we'll be there. The views up here are absolutely spectacular. Need I say, the views are breathtaking. Literally. I think that's the top right there. Champion dog climber. Mountain climber, I mean. We are now at the top of Ketchikan. Pretty sure this is the top. I don't think it's any more false summits. We're gonna see. We got a few more minutes till we gotta turn around, so just gonna check it out. Still on the trail, because right there's our trail marker in the orange. Views from top of Ketchikan. Time to turn around. That is where we'd be heading, and then going down that mountain, and then down towards those lakes, way down there somewhere. Done it before, but it was a while back, and I'm not taking a chance of not having my shit on me, my stuff on me, and it's time to head back. Be safe. Let's go, Hunter. Hunter! That was a great hike. Back down at sea level. Eating some grub.